time, we would like to welcome you on board United Flight 1312 with service to Chicago. On behalf of your entire crew, I'm happy to welcome you on board our 3-hour and 38-minute flight. Thank you, Mileage Plus members, for your loyalty, and to all customers for choosing to fly with us. While service is our passion, safety is our top priority, so please take a minute, pay attention to the following safety demo, even if you're a frequent flyer, as each aircraft type is different. Please review the safety card located at your seat and follow along. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your lap. To fasten, slide the metal end into the buckle, tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is off. Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with the aircraft. This Boeing 757 is equipped with 8 exit doors, 4 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are opened in an emergency, slides will automatically inflate. It's unlikely, but in a water landing, all exit doors except those located just behind the wings are equipped with slide rafts which detach from the aircraft and are used as life rafts. The 2 doors located just behind the wings are equipped with slides and should not be used in a water landing unless advised by a crew member. You will also find 2 life rafts located in marked compartments. One is in a ceiling compartment at the window exits and one is in a ceiling compartment at the doors just after the wings. There are also 4 window exits over the wings when open. Ramp slides will automatically inflate. If needed, lifelines are located in the window frames of the aft over wing exits. In a water landing, do not use the window exits unless advised by a crew member. All 12 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember that they may be behind you. If you must evacuate the aircraft, the exit path lights on or near the floor will guide you to an exit, and a change in color or exit sign will help you locate the exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft. It's also unlikely, but if necessary, oxygen masks will drop from above your seat and from the restroom ceilings if a strap appears and you cannot reach the mask. Pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tube and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head and tighten the straps. Oxygen is flowing. Even if the bag does not inflate, put your mask on before helping others. In the unlikely event oxygen is needed on today's flight, remove any face coverings before putting on your oxygen mask. Should you need it, you'll find a life vest with a water-activated light and a pouch under between your seats. When directed, pull the tab to retrieve the pouch. If there's a strap, remove it from around the pouch, tear the pouch open, remove and unfold the vest, slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Just before leaving the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down sharply on the red tab or by blowing into the tube. This aircraft also has infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary. Smoking, vaping, or using e-cigarettes or smokeless tobacco is not allowed in this aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions. We'll be taking off soon. Please bring your seat back up, close your tray table, fasten your seat belt, and return your headrest to the original position. Food and beverages must be collected or put away for departure. We'll be coming by to collect any remaining items. If you're seated in an exit row, we encourage you to open the window shade for taxi and takeoff. Thanks again for flying with us. I'll be back with more details about this evening's flight once we're in the air.
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.
As a reminder, the seatbelt sign is on even when the sign is off. Keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. In case of unexpected turbulence, please try to keep the island galley areas clear and